How to fix Instagram highlights not showing on Instagram. So if you want to fix the Instagram highlights not showing on Instagram, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have your highlights, right? But if your highlights are not showing on Instagram, then what you need to do is you just need to tap on add new highlight, and then you can again add a highlight. So for example, I'll be choosing one or two images, tap on next, enter something, tap on done, and now your highlight has been added. So that's how you can add your highlights, or that's how you can fix it. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then reload your page and you may see your highlights. But even after reloading, if you don't see your highlights, then go for the upper right, which has that three bar, tap on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and tap on help. Under help, go for report a problem, tap on report problem again, and then tap on don't include and continue, and here you'll need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you just need to report that my highlights are not working or my highlights are not showing on Instagram, and once you report it, you will receive a message from Instagram within 24 hours. So that's how you can fix the highlights not showing on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.